Hello everyone. I would like to welcome you again for the second video on upon Westminster Bridge. Here we are going to learn poetic appreciation of this poem. Before watching this video, I would recommend you to watch the previous video about explanation of upon Westminster Bridge because unless you understand the poem fully, you can't write an appreciation of the poem. Let us see the appreciation of the poem. While writing the appreciation of the poem, we take into consideration these points about the poem, poet, title, theme, poetic devices, language, style, special feature, message, your opinion. Let us see about the poem. Upon Westminster Bridge is a Petrarchan sonnet. The poem is vivid description of the early morning view of the city of London from the top of the Westminster Bridge, which leaves the poet spellbound. The entire poem has very positive and calm atmosphere, which is produced by the description of the aesthetic scenery. The poem tries to convey poet's feeling of captivation as the early morning sun covers the landscape of the city of London in its first rays. The poet paints a beautiful picture of sleeping city. The background of the poem stands on a simple yet very powerful thought: nature versus civilization. Standing on the Westminster Bridge, contemplating the fresh sunlight and breeze of early morning London, making the poet finally declared that he had found the most beautiful place on the earth. He found London to be wearing the morning's beauty like a fine dress. The time is so early in the morning that everything seemed to be dead, silent, along with no London fog to obscure the view. The poet was so astonished to have felt the serene breeze of an early London city that he compares its calmness with nature. Poet William Wordsworth was born on 7th April 1770. He was a major English romantic and nature poet who was an honored poet laureate of the United Kingdom in the court of Queen Victoria from 1843 until his death on 23rd April 1850. He was a leading English nature poet. His collection of poetry, lyrical ballads, is considered as the central work of Romantic literary theory. Title: Upon Westminster Bridge. The title of the poem is significant as it directly takes the readers to the place where the poet is inspired by the beauty of London city early in the morning. It directly, immediately connects the readers with the content of the poem. Bridge is used as a symbol. It is human-made object which separates human from nature. Let us see the theme of the poem. The theme of the poem is basically to admire natural beauty, peace and calmness all around the city of London at dawn before the busy city wakes up to its daily routine activities. Man versus nature is also one of the theme of the poem. There is a remarkable balance between nature and man-made structures. The speaker, being a lover of nature, not only stops to adore the glories of nature, but also he feels sorry for those who have missed this delight. The poem, therefore, celebrates the beauty of man-made creations and structures. Theme of the poem revolves around the solitary city life in the break of dawn. The poet compares the silence to the silence and calmness that this beautiful nature radiates. Poetic devices, language, style. The poet makes use of simple poetic devices like simile, hyperbole, and personification, and easy language in line with his intention to write the poem for the common people. He chooses a simple language and uses common words in the poem. Wordsworth uses end rhymes to give a song like rhythm to the poem. The poet uses the traditional rhyme scheme of Petrarchan sonnet. Rhyme scheme of an octave is A B B A A B B A, and rhyme scheme of a sestet is C D C D C D. Style of the poem. The poem is descriptive one where the poet uses his sense of sight and fare for expression to present a panoramic view of London. The simplicity and frankness of the language, that is, devoid of any lofty idea, make the poem pleasant. Imagery adds to the vividness, and inversion adds emphasis to the description of beauty. Let us see special feature of the poem. Upon Westminster Bridge is a Petrarchan sonnet. Petrarchan sonnet is also known as Italian sonnet. This poem is divided into two parts. First part is an octave, contains 8 lines, and second part is sestet, contains 6 lines. The main message of the poem is the beauty of the city in its natural settings before any activities have begun. This highlights the negative impact of industrialization, which the poet believes will ruin the city. In addition, by describing the beauty of a city, the poet shows that even a city is capable of making a person feel calm like nature. In the early hours of morning, when everything is silent and unmoving, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. One should be generous enough to appreciate the quality of the others. We must imbibe the qualities of patience and tolerance from the nature. Your opinion about the poem. Overall, the poem is good and allows the reader to visualize the picture painted by Wordsworth and draws similarities between the city and nature. The use of simple language makes it easy to understand, and this is the biggest appeal of the poem as it makes the poem attractive to readers. In a similar way, you should write an appreciation of the poem in the examination. Best luck for studies and thank you.